Our PVC wire granulator and separator machine, a reliable solution for efficiently recycling and separating copper from PVC-coated wires. Whether you're dealing with household wiring or industrial cables, this machine simplifies the process, breaking down PVC cables and extracting high-purity copper granules. With excellent processing speed and precision, it's designed for recyclers looking to maximize profit while minimizing waste. This machine is perfect for small to medium-sized recycling businesses that want to scale their operations, offering a high recovery rate of copper with minimal effort. By investing in this technology, you can boost your revenue by turning scrap wire into valuable copper while also reducing environmental impact. Turn your cable waste into valuable copper with our PVC wire granulator and separator machine. Turn scrap cables into cash now.